Are you a manager or leader who's tired of feeling like you're always telling and instructing rather than coaching and empowering your team? Well, you're not alone. It's a common problem that many managers face. But don't worry, we've got the solution for you. We want to introduce you to a book called The Coaching Habit by Michael Bungay Stanier. This book is all about how to coach your team effectively and empower them to take ownership of their own development and problem solving. So, what's the secret to effective coaching? The book suggests that the key is to spend more time asking questions and listening, rather than telling and instructing. And to help you do just that, the book offers 7 questions that you can use in your conversations with your team. First up, we have the Kickstart Question, what's on your mind? This question is designed to be an icebreaker. It encourages people to share what's on their mind and what's most pressing for them. Next, we have the question, and what else? This question is designed to help people explore all the different angles of a problem or situation. It's an open-ended question that helps them to identify all the different factors that may be contributing to the challenge they're facing. Third, we have the focus question, what is the real challenge here for you? This question helps to get to the root of the problem and helps people to focus on the underlying issue they're facing, rather than getting bogged down in symptoms. Fourth, we have the foundation question, what do you want? This question helps people to identify what they really want and what their goals are. This question is an important one as it helps people to understand what they're working toward and what they're trying to achieve. Fifth, we have the lazy question, how can I help? This question helps the manager to understand what kind of help the team member needs. It's a question that offers support and help, but also encourages them to take ownership of the problem and think about what kind of help they need. Sixth, we have the strategic question, what is the impact of that? This question helps people to think about the bigger picture and the impact of their decisions on the organization. It helps them to think about the long-term consequences of their actions. And finally, we have the learning question, what was most useful for you? This question encourages people to reflect on what they've learned and how they can apply it in the future. It helps them to think about how they can continue to grow and develop. By using these questions, you'll be able to have more meaningful and effective conversations with your team. You'll be able to empower them to take ownership of their own development and problem solving. Plus, you'll be able to shift your focus from fixing problems to developing people and turn yourself into a coach, not just a manager. We know it can be tough to change your habits, but trust us, it's worth it. Your team will be more engaged, more productive, and you will see better results for both the individual and the organization. So, give it a try and let us know how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content like this.